Guys, a thing that is very strange for me in Korea is that when people are leaving the table to get a fresh air outside, they can leave the table and the belongings like keys, wallets on the table. No one will ever touch it, no one will steal it, and that you could never ever, please don't do that when you go to Europe, please don't do that, because when you come back, everything will be disappeared, because criminality is much higher in Europe than Korea. I think Korea is really the safest country in the world. So guys, always when I open my soju bottle, I remove these two things because I get scared that I can cut my finger. And now I see these, what is the name? Bottle caps. And they twisted it together. How strange is that? They must have done something like, oh, 감사합니다. Hey, looks delicious. Delicious. They must have twisted it together like this somehow. Never seen that before. But 짠!
현금 투입 후에 현금을 투입해주세요.
궁금자? 여기 드릴게. 이거.
Maybe only salt and no sugar. You scared me. It's actually just like a real potato. I don't know if it's fried. I think so. Maybe boiled. But it tastes very delicious. Let's try the other one. I have a second one.
That's a 호두과자.
It's like a dessert. It's a sweet one. Reminds me of a pancake a little bit. Very nice. That's a good lunch break from the road. It's a traffic jam, so we have to wait a little bit.
Here we are in a 휴게소.
Potato break. Very much. La 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 la. We will pass the Gangbyeong station.
So here is Gangbyeong station, and you can see many 포장마차s here.
Nice.
Back there, and
I love it.
till the end.
There. Many restaurants.
So this is number 10 포장마차 here. We're gonna enter, and we can find something to eat, and we can have some beer.
Let's have a look.
고등어 하나랑요, 양념 닭갈비 하나.
매운 거 잡어요.
Do you eat spicy?
Yes, I like spicy.
멋있다. 나 9월달에 합격했어. 나 멋있어. 앞에 제일 멋진 거. 내가.
Soju twister. Let's have some soju. 짠.
You like it?
Let's taste some soup. fish cake soup. Wow, nice. Today is Mother's Day in Germany, so let's chan to all the mothers in the world. Chan. That's a very new way of eating for me in this nice little kind of tents. Interesting. We don't have these in Germany. And cozy, because they are so cute and small, these tents, especially for the tall Germans. I like it. I can't get enough of these soju guys.
This is more like a drinking place. It's supposed to be cheaper, but now I can say it's a little bit expensive.
In Germany, local bars are much cheaper than nightclubs. How about Korea?
So this is the local bar, so I think I see that it's almost same price with bars.
We are both very surprised. But I think in Korea, the soju in most of the bars is almost similar, no? Like in Germany, if you order a cocktail in a local bar or in a nightclub or in a different bar, the price range can be huge, like everything from 3 to 30 euros. For the soju in Korea, I think it's always around 5,000 won, no? Which I love because it's a good price, I think, for a whole bottle, because if you compare it with a beer, because it's stronger. So for your money with the soju. And also the beer makes me super full. Oh yeah, hola, that looks amazing. I think that's your chicken rib. Woo! Let's pow! How about if we try some chicken rib? Oh. Ah, that's amazing. German beer opener. Aruba, Jamaica. Oh, I'm gonna eat ya. Oh. How do you want to spend the rest of your life, guys? I want to spend the rest of my life eating fish and drinking beer. Maybe being on a sailing yacht, because when I was in Busan, that was the best thing ever. Three little things about this chicken wrap. I can see a lot of chicken meat, which is a good sign, right? Second of all, I can see some very nice noodles, and they are even like nice and spicy. Third thing is that they have also very nice crunchy and fresh veggies, so I think this is the perfect side dish for your soju. Chan, guys! Ah. Huh? Almost finished with this amazing fish, guys. Oh, I really like the grilled fish. Wow. No. In Germany, there's no better evening for me than sitting in my garden, my neighbor's coming, putting his fresh caught fish on the fire and we eat it together. And this is the feeling that I get when I eat the fish in Korea. Ah, that was delicious, guys. Now it's time to get home.